I believe Ohio should abolish the death penalty. The legislature can take this action, and I believe they should take this action.
More breaking news right now from the State House. It's a policy he helped write as a state legislator almost 45 years ago. Now Governor DeWine says it's time for Ohio to abolish the death penalty. And this morning, he talked about his change of heart. ABC6's Rocky Walker was there. Rocky joining us live now with more. What else did he say?
Yeah, Terry, just 2 hours ago, Governor Mike DeWine pushed for the abolishment of the death penalty here in Ohio. Really, what he said is when looking at the data, coming to this conclusion just makes sense. He really was citing his history as a prosecutor, senator, and now governor. DeWine says that through time, his view of capital punishment has changed, originally advocating for the death penalty to be reinstituted more than 45 years ago as a deterrent against murder. But he says now the numbers don't make sense. He said certainty and swiftness of executing those who are given the death penalty is of the utmost importance. He says that has not been the case, sharing statistics saying that out of the last 10 people to be executed in the state, their average time between prosecution and execution was 21 years. And of the more than 350 people who've been given the death penalty, less than 60 have actually been executed.
It is today impossible to make the case that the death penalty is a deterrent. I no longer believe the death penalty is a deterrent to murder.
Death sentences given and death sentences indicted has decreased for decades. He now calls on the legislature to abolish it, saying if they don't want to make the decision, they could leave that to the voters. When asked, though, he did say that a ballot initiative constitutional amendment didn't make the most sense. Almost in his own words, he did say that if there's not a whole bunch of money backing anything, it's likely not going to make it on the ballot. Live on your side in Columbus, Rocky Walker, ABC6 News.